Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Throwing up is not pleasant, but it becomes a necessity at times of food poisoning or indigestion. In this quick guide, we show you how to make yourself throw up in the simplest, quickest, and easiest way possible. As disgusting as it may sound, pushing your finger down your throat will help induce vomiting. All you have to do is push your finger at the back of your tongue. When your finger comes in contact with the back of your tongue, your body reacts and causes a gag reflex. This, in turn, makes you nauseous and prompts you to vomit. Add a teaspoon or 2 of salt to a glass of water. Consume this saline solution in a single gulp. This takes 25 to 30 minutes, and you can use your finger to speed up the process. Salt contains sodium. Too much of it can cause a shift in the natural electrolyte balance of your body, thereby inducing you to expel the water. You can use that toothbrush of yours to prompt yourself to vomit. This method is especially helpful if the idea of sticking your finger down your throat doesn't go well with you. So, go ahead and try rubbing your toothbrush against the back of your tongue, and watch yourself throw up almost immediately. The toothbrush causes a gag reflex that induces you to throw up. If simply thinking about it is enough to make you puke, you are lucky. For the others, separate the white from the egg and gargle with it. The smell and taste of raw egg whites are quite unpleasant and can cause you to throw up almost instantly. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and gulp it down. Baking soda has been used to induce vomiting. One of the many side effects of consuming too much sodium bicarbonate is nausea and vomiting.